Allô tout le monde! Today we are going to start talking about Haitian Creole vowels. Many of you have requested to share tips on how to better pronounce Haitian Creole vowels. So here we go. First thing to remember is that in Haitian Creole there are two main types of vowels. You have the nasal vowels and non-nasal vowels. What is a nasal vowel? Well, the word nasal should have given you a little hint. A nasal vowel is a vowel that causes air to come out of the nose. This does not mean that a gust of wind will be exiting your nose whenever you're pronouncing a word that has a nasal vowel in it. But you may feel a little vibration, a soft push of air coming out of your nose. So what are the nasal vowels in Haitian Creole? There are four. En, and un. Those are the four nasal vowels. So let's take the first nasal vowel, in Haitian Creole, it's the same that you will find in skunk, punk, funk. So there's a little exercise that we're going to keep doing throughout the rest of this video, and here it goes. I want you to take your finger, place it right below your nose, and say skunk, punk, funk, Do you feel a little something happening there? If not yet, it's okay. As we go along, you will notice a difference. What are the non-nasal vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. So let's just take the first one, A. This A is the same A in Gaga, like Lady Gaga, the singer. So we're going to do the same exercise. Take your finger, put it under your nose, and go ahead and say Lady Gaga, Gaga, okay? Now, we're going to take the same words that we used for the nasal vowel, skunk, funk, punk. And we're just going to say gaga, skunk, gaga, punk, gaga, funk, all right? Gaga, skunk, gaga, punk, gaga, funk. Did you feel a little different? Now let's do that same exercise but with Haitian Creole words. The first nasal vowel, is found in the Haitian Creole word for teeth, dun. The non-nasal vowel a is found in the Haitian Creole word dat, date. So, same thing. Take your finger under your nose. We're going to say dun, dat, dun, dat, dun, dat. Did you feel a difference? Okay, that's our tip for today. Another side tip that I've heard someone say before is to act like you have a stuffy nose. If you've heard someone who's had a cold, to kind of try to imitate that person when trying to pronounce Haitian Creole words with nasal vowels. So let us know if that tip or the other tips that we've shared today, let us know if they work in the comments down below. And that ends our first discussion on how to better pronounce Haitian Creole vowels. And stay tuned for more tips to help out on the next episode of En Apprenant avec Rebecca.